Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create an e-commerce website. First, you'll need to secure a domain name and web hosting, which is the foundation of your online presence. Then, install WordPress, often a one-click process with most hosts. Next, choose an e-commerce-ready theme to give your store a professional look and feel. This initial setup is crucial for building a robust and scalable online shop. Once WordPress is ready, install the powerful WooCommerce plugin. This free tool transforms your site into a fully functional online store. The setup wizard will guide you through crucial steps like setting your store's currency, location, and shipping options. After that, you can begin adding your products, ensuring each has clear descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing information for your customers. Now, it's time to personalize your store's design. Use your theme's customization options to match your brand's aesthetic, adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts. Crucially, set up secure payment gateways such as PayPal or Stripe to process customer transactions safely. Consider adding other plugins to boost your store's search engine optimization or marketing efforts, making it more visible and effective. Before launching, rigorously test every aspect of your store, especially the checkout process, to ensure a smooth customer experience. Install an SSL certificate to encrypt data and build customer trust. Once live, focus on marketing your products through social media, email campaigns, and search engine optimization. Continuously monitor your store's performance and adapt your strategies for sustained growth and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.